Come on, baby, can you feel the gravitation? When you look my way like a new star, shooting through my constellation. I know we're gonna see our worlds collide.
Welcome you all, welcome back to another video. Today y'all gonna get ready with me, and I'm gonna do a full face beat. But of course, you know, I've already done my eyebrows, as you can tell. That's why they're looking crazy. I haven't actually blended anything in. I actually really just got done doing my brows. So thumbs up if you love the brows, or if you want an eyebrow tutorial, I will definitely do it. But right now, we are about to get into it. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the ring bell so you'll never miss an upload. So what I'm going to use is my Fit Me Classic 10 Fit Me foundation. I've already primered my face, and of course y'all know I love my hard candy primer. I love it. It works absolutely fabulous. I love that face primer. Okay, if y'all don't know what kind of primer to get, or and what the primer does, is set your foundation. It sets your makeup, and it helps with like no creases and things like that. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my foundation. So if I'm looking off to the side, it's only because I'm looking at how I'm putting my makeup on. So you have to excuse me. Okay, but well, let me get a little bit more on here. And what you're going to do is blend, blend, blend. Make sure you blend as much as possible. And also, what do I always tell you all? Don't forget your neck, okay? Make sure you hit that neck, because you don't want your neck to be a different color than your face. So make sure you get that, please. Make sure you get that, okay? So I'm going to do like this golden bronze type of look today. I wanted to match with my hair and the shirt, the colors I have in my shirt today. But yeah, if you all like this video, or if you want me to do a video about my brows, please put in the comment section below ideas, suggestions, and what other kind of videos you all want me to do as far as when it comes to makeup, or any kind of video, period. You know, this is a channel where, you know, you might see anything, almost about anything. Okay, so foundation is on. Now I'm about to contour a little bit, and the contour that I'm going to be using is Broadway Concealer Contour. I will link it down below, everything that I'm using, so that you all could purchase it if you would like to purchase it, where I got it from. But yeah, I love a good contour up underneath the eyes. Not too much. You don't want to do too much. And I'm only going to do the eyes today, because like I said, I'm not going to do too much makeup. But I want to hit the basics for you all, just in case some people don't know how to do it. I want to hit the basics. Okay. All right. Well, let me go ahead and do it. Only because I know that you all wanted me to, so I'm going to go ahead and go for it. Okay. Yes, so there you go. Now I'm looking for my contour stick, and the contour stick I'm using is by MAC Match Master Concealer Stick, And I forgot what color this is, but you don't want to put on too much just because. And then you're going to just blend it out. Blend it, blend it, blend it. Okay. Whatever you do is you blend it as much as possible. Yes. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some eyeshadow on just because I want to put a little color on today. Today's the day I'm going to put some color on, y'all, on top of these lids. So, where is, okay. I'm going to use this color called Bella Copper by Milani. Okay, I love Milani. Milani is a very good cosmetic line. Okay. And it's like a copper type of color. It's very pretty. I really love it. It's very, 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 very pretty. And you don't need much of it unless you want to cake it up. It really all depends on what kind of look you're looking for. But I'm not going to put a whole lot of it on there. I'm just going to put like a little bit. Just because I want it to like blend in with my hair. Okay. Just because I want it to blend in with my hair color. It seems like it just pops out my gold hair, my honey blonde hair. And it's going to all coordinate together. It's going to all work together, hunty. It's going to all come together. Okay. So, yeah. I'm going to... Ooh, ain't that pretty? Really beautiful. Okay. And so, like I said, it's not going to be too, like, loud or popping or nothing like that. And I'm going to put this lipstick on, which is by, who is this lipstick by? Maybelline. Okay, and then what you're going to do also is put your setting spray on just to set the makeup because you don't want your makeup to crease, and this is going to help with the creasing as well. You don't need much of it on, just lightly spray your face. Okay, and then I'm going to also use Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter because I need that gold pop to be like underneath of my eyes, and that's the look that I'm looking for right now, and that's what I'm ready to do. Just lightly, not too much or nothing. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? It's just ooh-wee. And that's also going to help bring out my hair color and the colors in my shirt. Yes. Yes, hunty, yes. Hit a little bit on my nose. Just to get a highlight look, you know, in some areas that I feel like would be, you know, beneficial. And this conducts my look, y'all. I mean, when I'm in a rush and don't really want to do too much or nothing, and I just want to, like, put something on the go if I'm like on a timer and I have to like bust a move and hurry up and put the makeup on and go on and handle my business. This is my routine. So I wanted to just thank you all for watching. Thanks for being patient with me. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the ring bell so you never miss an upload. But also put down in the comment section below any other types of look suggestions or video suggestions that you would like for me to do. And we're going to work on it, baby. Until then, I'll see y'all some other time. And yeah, have a great day.